Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. NEET dress code has been the talk of the town since the examination came into existence. For NEET 2020, which is to be held on September 13, NTA has prescribed a list of items that are barred in the examination hall as well as the NEET dress code for 2020. All those who are appearing for the NEET 2020 examinations are advised to adhere by the dress code specified by NTA. Non-observance of this dress code will lead to disqualification and candidates won't be allowed to appear in the examination. So today we are going to discuss the NEET dress code as well as the items which are banned in the examination hall. Let's start with the NEET 2020 dress code. First, NEET dress code for males. Full or long sleeve t-shirts are not allowed. Clothes should be simple and should not have zips, pockets, huge buttons, etc. Male candidates can wear simple trousers or pants. Layers of clothing and kurta pajamas should be avoided. Shoes, boots or any covered footwear is not allowed. You are advised to wear slippers or open-toed sandals. Now for female candidates, similar to the dress code for male, you are also advised to wear half-sleeve t-shirts, shirts, kurtas. Long sleeve and fancy sleeve clothing is not permitted. Your clothing should be simple and should not have elaborate embroideries, buttons, frills, etc. Female candidates should also avoid any jewelry, metallic or non-metallic. So we would advise you all to not have any jewelry on you when you are going for the examination. Similarly, regarding footwears, shoes, boots, heels or any other fancy footwear is not allowed inside the examination hall. You all should wear open sandals or slippers. Now for the exception in the dress code for NEET 2020, candidates who cannot follow the dress code due to religious beliefs have to mention the same while filling the application form for NEET 2020. These candidates have to select customary dress option while filling the application form. Those opting to wear the customary dress have to report at least an hour early for proper frisking and security procedures. So do take note of that. Along with NEET dress code, NTA has listed the names of items that are not allowed inside the examination hall. If found in possession of any of these items, the candidates will not be allowed to complete the NEET 2020 exam and will have to leave the examination. So do take care you do not have any of these items with you during the examination. Any test-based material, printed or written, pencil box, pouches, geometry box, anything of such, calculator, electronic pen, scanner, etc., pencil, scale, eraser or any other stationery items, accessories such as bag, belts, cap, goggles, wallets, etc., mobile phones, smartwatches, cameras, Bluetooth, fitness band, earphones, pagers, etc. Ornaments such as earrings, nose pins, piercing, no such ornaments are allowed inside the exam hall. Also, edibles, packed or home cooked are not allowed. So do take care that you are not in possession of any of these mentioned items in the examination hall. Otherwise, you might have to face very serious consequences. So be very careful regarding this. Other than this dress code, keeping in mind the safety of the candidates on the exam dates, a few changes have been made in the dress code as per the COVID-19 guidelines. All candidates must wear a mask which is covering both their nose and mouth. They also must carry water bottles with them. Water dispenser facilities which were previously available are now discontinued as a preventive measure for COVID-19. Candidates must also carry 50 ml bottle of hand sanitizer with them on the exam day. Also, candidates are allowed to wear gloves in the exam center. So these are the additional items that you must carry with you. Alright guys, that was the dress code for NEET 2020 as well as the list of items that are banned in the examination hall. Do go through this list and follow it thoroughly. Non-observation of this list will lead to disqualification and cancellation of your candidature. So it is very important that you follow the dress code as well as you take care that you do not have any of the banned items in your possession during the examination. Do like and share this video if you found it helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more such content ahead. All the best for your exam. Take care.